So one of the things that you can utilize Claude for is for calculating, let's say, for example, complex scenarios. For example, I have, let's say, for example, a scenario right here where a household received the following monthly utility bills. Let's say, for example, so electricity is 350 kilowatts at 12 cents per kilowatt, which is a fixed service charge of 15%. Water is 25,000 liters at 0.003 per liter, and gas is 50 therms at 0.9 cent, let's say dollar per therm right here. So let's say the government applies a 5% tax on total and the consumer has a 10% discount coupon for the month. So calculate the total bill step by step, showing all the calculation including tax, discount, and explain each step clearly, and give me visual data for it as well. So you can simply go ahead and give it a complex math problem like this, and then you can go ahead and hit send. So once you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and then do a detailed calculation, and we'll simply go ahead and give you the result. So since the problem is quite complex, it will go ahead and take some time to calculate it out. So here you can see that it has started calculating, and you can see it shows step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, and so forth. And here's the final bill right here. And now it is giving me a visual data, like what is the bill for electricity, for water, for gas, and tax right here. And you can see that electricity is 32%, water is 42%, and so forth. And there's the discount coupon right here as well, and there's the total due right here. And I told it to give a visual data, so it gave me a proper visual data that I can go ahead and then download out as well. And it gives it to me in HTML format, as you can see right here. So if I were to go ahead and open it, you can see that I got the visual data right here that I can go ahead and save out as well. You can even hover around and see what each of the numbers are for, and you can see that this is basically how you can go ahead and utilize Claude for mathematics right here easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.